Good morning, beautiful people. It is day 48 on the trail, and we are heading out of Daleville this morning. Had a great zero, refreshed, recalibrated, and we are making our way towards Glasgow. Should be 2 full days and then a partial day into Glasgow, and we are getting ever closer to the Shenandoahs. And yeah, it looks like a decent amount of climbing today, but other than that, the weather is great, and we're excited to be back on the AT. Woo!
Yeah. And another very, very exciting thing, we have some new gear that's joining us in this section. As you saw at the start of this video, I picked up a Vargo bot, which is very exciting. This was able to replace 2 other pieces of gear because I occasionally like to cold soak and cook my Huel meals, which is why I have the screw top one, and I also like to make green shakes, which is why I have the other bottle. So the Vargo pot is a screw lid titanium pot, which means I was able to get rid of those other 2 because I was having a hard time closing my bag with a full resupply, so decided to try that. We also have a big gear change in the back there.
New shoes.
Oh, new shoes behind us. Angler has new shoes, the Topos. Yeah, Angler's got a new pair of Topos after the last ones got pretty much obliterated in the bad weather. And then at the back, up the caboose, we have Great Day. He has a new hammock, which I'm sure we'll show you later. He's going to be turning it into a hammock camper now, so that's all very exciting. And toe tag up the front has a new dry bag. So it's like Christmas in this section, trying out our new bits of gear. So here we go on day 48. 1/3 of the way to the bottom.
Just Photoshop the...
Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home,
country roads.
Everything starts to fall. 'Cause I can't do this without you. I don't want to let it go. When I need you, but I don't know what to say. When I get lost and can't see through, but you always.
Good morning. This is day 49, and yesterday we had an amazing day. The trail intercepted the Blue Ridge Parkway. Quite a few times with amazing views, and it was just a really good day. Yeah, we had bins and it was great, and we did a bit over 20 miles yesterday, and today, as you can see, the sun is out. So we're really enjoying this little stretch of good weather after such a wet last section. And today, we've got a lot of climbing today, and gonna enjoy the sun. And that is all for now. Yay! Day 49. All.
Big ball.
Yeah.
I interrupt this broadcast to bring you a very, very special mention because it is my dad's birthday today. Happy birthday, Dad. Love you lots and hope you have an amazing day.
Mr. O.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Zippy's dad. Happy birthday to you.
Here we go. Gonna try out my new little, all new extra strength light load towels, multi-purpose, washable. It was given to me by a very nice person at Trail Days, and I forgot I had it until now. But I'm gonna try because it's so hot. Trying to cool ourselves down. There's Smeagol over there, washing his top. Oh! Ooh! On trail air conditioning. Dipped sun hoodie and towel. Does it feel good?
Oh, it feels amazing.
Very hot today for a change. I feel like this is probably the first really hot day, I would say. So soaked sun hoodies, soaked towels. We're about to do a really big climb.
The total, the climb is like 7 miles.
7
But
miles.
we're taking a break halfway through to lunch. A little flat water area.
It's gonna be a big boy.
It's a big beefy boy.
First time using the Vargo. We have titanium box 700, sealable lid. This is the main reason why I bought it. You can see how satisfying that is. Here we have stove, spork, hot lips for drinking out of, like a cup of tea. Look at lighter. We have little sponge, tin foil for windshield, and the gas. That is the Vargo bot.
Take 2.
Forgotten how to function now that the camera's recording. Missing a leg. I swear to flip if this jumps at me. Jordan! Hallelujah.
Good morning, beautiful people. It is day 50 on the Appalachian Trail, and we are right next to the guillotine, as you can see behind me. A little cool rock formation with that little hanging rock above it. That's pretty cool. But yeah, today we are looking to do about just under 16 miles into Glasgow and Lynchburg. We got a little box in Glasgow, so that's where we're gonna go. Yeah, other than that, just getting ready for some bad weather up ahead. Looks like today should be cloudy, but tomorrow, the next day, I think there's several thunderstorms in the next few days, so not gonna enjoy that, but you know, it is what it is on the AT. Yeah, other than that, yeah, let's do this.
Everyone getting out of the car.